Hello everyone, this is Carly. Welcome to my TikTok. I will show you everything about the automotive. Today I've got an amazing product and I will show you this unboxing video. Here we go. Today is our adapter. It is too heavy to carry it. So heavy. So heavy, so heavy. Let's pay attention to this wheel bearing 515096. This wheel bearing is engineered to deliver outstanding performance and longevity for your car. Comes with an integrated ABS. I'll show you. And this starts to enhance your car's stability and control. And the surface is covered with grease to prevent rust and become smooth. It's designed to fit a range of Chevrolet, GMC, and Cadillac trucks and SUVs. Okay, today's video is done, and I'm looking forward to see you again. Like and share and comment below. Let me know what your curiosity.